science experiment today, we're going to be mixing some cabbage with hot water to try and get all the dye out of it so we can do some experiments.
We have been stirring the red cabbage and the water for 5 minutes.
We took the cabbage out and we put the cloths in and we've been mixing for 5 minutes now.
Using our cloths and letting them to dry on the kitchen roll.
Okay, I'm going to sprinkle the vinegar all over my cloth.
I'm going to rub some soap onto the cloth now.
Red cabbage is an indicator. We put acids and bases on it. The acids, like vinegar, made the cloth turn pink, and the bases, like soap, made the cloth turn green. And that's how we are colored cloths.
Here are some pictures of our cloths.
That's so cool. Wow. That's so good.
Were you able to see it, or?
Yeah.
Well done, boys. Múinteoir class. That was excellent. You might start a new fashion trend with those boys. Huh? What do you think? Lovely colours as well. Well done, and you explained it really well as well. So I think we all enjoyed that. I wonder, are there any questions from the other classes? I see a boy's hand up in Múinteoir Lorna's. Múinteoir Lorna, over to you.
How does the colour change in the cabbage? On the cloth. Like on the cloth.
Good, so how does it run off from the cabbage into the cloth? Múinteoir, would a boy in your class like to explain?
Yeah, Paul is going to.
Hi, Paul.
They change color because they're hanging up and sometimes we accidentally mixed it and then they change from yellow to oh, we had soap, bread soda and lemon juice.
Oh.
Anyone have Paul? Yes, he is going to have Paul there now.
Well done, Paul.
Because red cabbage is an indicator which tells us if it's an acid or base.
Excellent explanation.
Well done.
I think there's a question, Mr. Anthony.
Like if you want to use like a cloth with some like happy face or something, can you do it without getting a happy face or something?
I was literally to my finger.
Like if you get a cloth lined with some images, can you the image will put it off or will stay with the colors?
So will the other colours stain the images on the cloth?
Okay, good question. Mr. Amy?
Well done.
Boys are a bit shy, but we said we did find it out, but it might be our next experiment if we need to try and find the answer to that question.
Excellent idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic.
Really good.
Any other questions from the other classes? Anybody else? Move your brains in.
I have a question. Why do you need to add vinegar to the cloth?
So why do you need to add vinegar?
To the cloth.
That's too much, really? What is the answer? Yeah, so. Sorry. You're fine. I haven't.
So the reason why we use vinegar is because it's an acid and it makes the clothing change colors. It changes into pink, and this is what it looks like.
Well done. Great explanation. Good boy, Adam. Well done.
You corrected?
You want to unmute yourself? Hang on there.
Does anyone work on cloth? Can you like do it on the t-shirt and make